I tried to make a video, an unboxing for a new knife I got. There. This is what happens. Right? Yeah. This is what happens. Bullshit. Hey. Yeah, really? Trying to make a YouTube video? Look what freaking happens. Hey. Give me those. Give me my glasses. Those are mine. Thank you. Damn it. Okay, well, unboxing the Kershaw 1620 FL. Just picked it up out of the box. I enjoy one-handed operation. I am a chef, so I need things that I can do with one hand while the other hand's full. Basically like a knife. That's why I like my push-button Sharpies. If I'm holding a box of something I need to date it, I got push-button Sharpies. What a great. And so, hey, what's up, buddy? The interruption. So, I like one-handed operation. This is a great small knife. And I tried it at the store. The second I tried it at the store, the first flick, and it went into the lock position, which is great. After about 10 tries, it stopped going into the lock position. All I had to do was add a bit of a flicker to it. Yep, see there. Well, I can't do that with a cat sitting there, but great length. It's very sharp. Get out of here.